Apple again stole the attention with news about the iPhone 17 series, which is believed to give birth to various design innovations and superior features. Leaks about the iPhone 17 series, especially the 17 Pro versus 17 Air versions, have also shocked the public. Amid speculation ahead of the September 2025 launch, the latest leaks about the case and camera island design on the Pro model caught the attention of fans and tech watchers. Well, for a complete explanation of the leaked iPhone 17, we have summarized it in this video. Apple is rumored to release 4 iPhone 17 models in 2025. There will be a standard version of the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The standard iPhone 17 is expected to look similar to the iPhone 16, but with a 6.3-inch screen size that is larger than the iPhone 15. 6.1 inches, but smaller than the iPhone 15 Plus, 6.7 inches. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air, also called the iPhone 17 Slim, is predicted to come with a much thinner design, being between 5 and 6 millimeters thick, although the camera protrusion could reach 9.5 millimeters. The screen size is expected to be around 6.55 to 6.65 inches, midway between the iPhone 17 Pro, 6.3 inches, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, 6.9 inches. The camera design is one of the main highlights of the iPhone 17, especially on the Pro variant. Based on leaked CAD renders, the iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro are said to use a horizontal bar camera design with rounded corners. While the iPhone 17 Air will reportedly be equipped with only one rear camera with an elongated bump, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will have a wider bump to accommodate 3 lenses complete with a looser distance between lenses, LiDAR sensors, and flashlights. Interestingly, there are also rumors that the rear camera of the iPhone 17 Air will be positioned in the middle of the body, creating a large and symmetrical bump that differs from the camera layout of the iPhone 16. In addition, all iPhone 17 models are likely to be equipped with new features such as MagSafe, a dedicated button for camera control, and the action button seen on various dummy models circulating. If Apple previously used a combination of stainless steel and glass in several iPhone models, this time rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will again use an aluminum frame. This material change is believed to aim to make the device body lighter without sacrificing strength and durability. The aluminum frame is combined with a back that uses mostly glass in order to still support the wireless charging feature. Although this design looks simple, it actually has a great influence on the body's durability, heat dissipation efficiency, and protection when the phone is dropped or bumped. A series of 3D renders and design simulations also emphasize the distinct differences between the standard, Air, and Pro models, each of which is designed with a focus on design and performance according to the needs of users. The camera system is one of the main focuses in the iPhone 17 series, especially in the Pro and Pro Max variants. Based on leaks, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will bring major upgrades on the camera side, including a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel periscope camera that supports 5 times optical zoom. The front camera is also rumored to have received a significant upgrade to 24 megapixels from the previous 12 megapixels. Not only that, Apple is also said to be introducing a new feature that is quite revolutionary, namely the ability to record videos simultaneously using the front and rear cameras. This feature was first leaked by John Prosser via the Front Page Tech channel. In the future, users can record from the rear camera as the main view, while displaying the footage from the front camera in a small window in the corner of the screen. Although similar features are already available through third-party applications, its presence directly in the built-in iOS camera application will certainly offer more stable, responsive performance and integrated with Apple's signature video editing and sharing features. Interestingly, Apple is also rumored to be embedding a vapor chamber-based cooling system in the iPhone 17 Pro. This technology is designed to deal with overheating when using high-resolution cameras intensively, including when recording 8K videos. That way, chipset performance is maintained and users can enjoy a smooth recording experience without a hitch. Apple will reportedly introduce several new technologies in the iPhone 17 series, one of which is their own 5G modem. This feature will most likely be present first on the iPhone 17 Air, while other models still use modems from Qualcomm. Although Apple's modem does not yet support the fastest 5G and its speed is still below Qualcomm's modem, this step shows Apple's efforts to be more technologically independent. In addition, all iPhone 17 models will also be equipped with Apple's Wi-Fi 7 chip that enables faster and more stable internet connections with more efficient power consumption. At the same time, Apple will also eliminate the physical SIM card slot in more countries, and specifically the iPhone 17 Air, due to its super-thin design, will not include a SIM slot at all. For performance, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are predicted to be equipped with an A19 Pro chip and 12 GB of RAM to support the Apple Intelligence feature, while the iPhone 17 and 17 Air will use the standard version of the A19 chip with less RAM. Apple is also testing vapor chamber cooling technology in the iPhone 17 line to keep the device cool even when used for strenuous activities such as recording 4K video or playing games. Last but not least, the screen on the iPhone 17 also received a significant upgrade. The entire iPhone 17 line is expected to use ProMotion-enabled LTPO OLED panels with a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This not only makes the phone display smoother, but also helps in saving power, as the refresh rate can be adjusted automatically according to the display needs. In addition, word has it that all models will be equipped with Apple's Wi-Fi 7 chip. This chip is expected to improve the speed and stability of wireless connectivity, along with the Bluetooth update to version 5.3. Then the slot for the dynamic island, the dedicated area for the Face ID sensor, is said to be slightly smaller thanks to the use of a new Metallens technology that makes it more compact without compromising the main function of the sensor. With these improvements, users can enjoy high-quality video streaming, fast downloads, and more reliable connectivity for various wireless devices. In addition to hardware upgrades, the iPhone 17 will also come with the latest operating system, iOS 19. Leaks circulating say that iOS 19 will bring a fresher and more modern interface, such as rounded app icons, a transparent view of the camera app, and an update to the always-on display feature. The always-on feature, which was previously only present on the Pro model, will reportedly be present on all variants of the iPhone 17. This allows users to keep viewing the clock, notifications, and other important info without having to turn on the screen or unlock the phone. iOS 19 will also make it easier to use the video recording feature from the front and rear cameras simultaneously, dual video recording. While this capability has been around since the iPhone 11 through the dual camera system, its direct presence in the built-in camera app will make it more practical and user-friendly, especially for content creators. As usual, the iPhone 17 price prediction is also a hot topic of discussion. Based on analyst reports and Bloomberg, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to start at US $999, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max, with a larger screen size and more advanced features, will likely cost more than that. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be priced at around $999, replacing the now discontinued Plus model. Apple is also expected to stick to its annual release pattern. The iPhone 17 launch will most likely take place in the second week of September 2025. Pre-orders are expected to open on Friday of the same week, and general sales will begin about a week later. However, the leak also mentions that Apple will raise the price of the iPhone 17 significantly. The main factors for this price increase are the increased production costs due to the new features as well as the effect of the 25% import tariff imposed by the United States government on devices manufactured overseas. As such, users should prepare to face the first price increase for the Pro model since the iPhone X was launched in 2017. Although Apple has tried to shift some of its production to India to avoid these tariffs, the impact is still felt on the final price.